How to send long video on Instagram DM. This tutorial shows you how to share large videos that exceed Instagram's direct message limits. First, it's important to know that Instagram has a file size limit for videos sent in DMs, usually around 25 megabytes and 1 minute duration. Next, the easiest method is to upload your long video to Google Drive first. Following that, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. Now, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Moving forward, tap on Upload and select the long video from your gallery. Afterwards, wait for the upload to complete. In addition to that, once uploaded, tap on the three dots next to the video. Once there, tap on Share or Get Link to create a shareable link. Subsequently, make sure the link sharing is set to anyone with the link. Moreover, tap Copy Link to copy the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Afterwards, open Instagram and go to the DM where you want to send the video. Then, paste the Google Drive link in the message field and send it. Within the DM, the recipient can tap the link and watch the full video on Google Drive. Alternatively, you can compress your video using a video compressor app to reduce file size. Once compressed, the video may fit Instagram's DM limits and can be sent directly. Then, another option is to post the long video to your story first and then share it to DM from there. And that's it. If this long video sending guide helped you share large files on Instagram, drop a like, subscribe for more Instagram messaging tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.